Okay, for this problem, this video I'm only doing problem number 4. It kind of seems like a lot. It is a little bit, not too much though. This also is an evaluating one, right? So students have, at a school, will sell hats to raise money. There are some hats left over from last year, and 20 boxes of the hats will be ordered this year. When the order arrives, the total number of hats the students will have can be determined using the function f of x equals 56x plus 26, where x represents the number of boxes ordered. Okay, if the number of hats per box changes so that the situation is modeled by the function h of x equals 38x plus 26, then how many fewer hats will the students have available if they still order the 20 boxes? Okay, so I know it kind of seems like a lot, all right, but we're basically just evaluating this function, right? If we had bought 20 boxes in this function, right, as compared to this one, how many fewer hats would we have? So again, we're just evaluating. I know that x is the number of boxes, right? Number of boxes. So we basically kind of like saying, okay, well, instead of f of x, right, I want to know if I ordered 20 boxes plus 26, right? So that's essentially what we're looking for, right? We want to know if we order, let me just erase this. Okay, sorry. If we order f of 20 boxes, what will we get for this first function? So that first function, I'm going to put in the Desmos, right? So I do f of x is equal to 56x, I forgot this, plus 26. Okay. All right, now let's convert this to a table. And I know that if I order the 20 boxes, I should have 1,146 hats. Okay, so this would be 1,146 hats. Okay, but now for this function, h of x, if I ordered, so for h of x, this time if I ordered 20, how many would I get out? So for this equation, this is 38x plus 26. So let's plug this one in and see what we get. H of x, actually, I think we still have to put in f of x, sorry. So I know we're talking about a different function. I know it's a second one, so they just renamed it within h because they can't have, they want you to know that they're two different functions. Clearly we see, but in Desmos still needs f of x. Okay, so no big deal. Nothing's changing. We're just, in order for it to read, we have to put f of x. So I'm putting f of x equals, and that equation was 38x plus 26. Whoops. X plus 26. Okay, so now this one, if we look at the table here and we order the 20 boxes, how many hats would we get out? We got out 786. 786. And again, the question asks how many fewer hats will the students have available? So we had 1,146 and we took away 700. If we take away 786, how many fewer was that? So 1146 minus 746, were those my two numbers? Oops. 786, sorry. We should have 360 fewer hats. Whoops. So that would be your answer here. Okay? So this also was evaluating. I know it seemed like a lot, but basically you're just comparing. You're evaluating one function for this number, this function for this number, and then just subtracting the difference, okay?